Hey Cajon drummers, you know what, there's one thing that I think we can all agree on, and that is simply, we need to practice more. And we have all of these excuses and possibly real reasons as to why we can't practice. So a big one for a lot of us, and me definitely, is noise, right? If you live with your family or you're sharing with other people, you start practicing late at night, pretty soon someone's gonna knock on your door and you have to stop. And you know, even worse than that, you're very worried that you're bothering other people as you're trying to practice Cajon. It's not gonna help. We gotta fix this problem. We have to practice more. So, let me explain the towel and the white discs. These white discs are specifically for making washing machines less noisy. So you kind of put on a load of washing and the whole thing's shaking, right? So for a lot of people it's too noisy. Put these under your washing machine. Or your Cajon, sorry, your Cajon. Put them under your Cajon. And then the towel, maybe you can guess how we're going to use the towel, but in 3 steps, and I'll do a before and after so you can see exactly how powerful of a little DIY modification this is. We're going to do 3 steps to silence my Cajon so we can practice anytime we like. Let's go. Alright, so as you could see from that setup video, I've been working on my technique. Alright, so let's get on to our before and after examples. Actually, I'm going to show you the sound levels on the screen so you can see directly just what a difference this silencing mod makes. Let's get started. Alright, so there you go. You can see for yourself, this hoodie made a huge difference. Sneaky little product placement there. You can buy these, link in the description. No, but you should definitely stop using that excuse. It's too loud, I can't practice now, I'll practice later when I'm not gonna bother other people. No, get yourself some of those white little washing machine silencer discs. I'm sure there's a better name for them, but they're like $1. Look in your dollar shop. I found them in the dollar shop here in Japan, so you can find them. That's really useful if you're in an apartment or something and you've got neighbors below and you want to stop that shockwave kind of going through the floorboards. So otherwise, I'm sure we all have towels where we're living, right? So those 2 things, little bonus if you want the 3rd one with the hoodie, just use your own hoodie, it's fine. But those things combined, you're totally covered for practice, right? So what are you gonna do now? If you're going to watch another Cajon lesson, please do. If you are gonna watch another Cajon lesson and you're normally the kind of person who watches it and practices maybe some of the time, but not all of the time, get your Cajon silenced, ready to go, late night practice mode activated. Check out another one of my videos and practice along. You'll find it so much better, right? If you think about how many hours you could add to your daily or weekly or monthly practice just by silencing your Cajon, I think you're gonna improve so much as a Cajon player. So that's it from me for this video. I'll see members, so we have members videos on the channel, we'll have members video up tomorrow night, and then 2 days later on Thursday night we'll have the everybody video going up online as well. So I will see you 1 or 2 times more this week, and then again next week, and the week after. Very happy with the momentum on the channel right now. Let me know your comments or questions down below the video. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. And if you want notifications for when I upload, there is a little bell icon that you can check. Give that a go as well. I will see you later. Happy, silent, long practice sessions. See you on the next video. Bye.